no battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat blade screwdriver and a new battery, in this case, a CR2032 3V. First, push the mechanical release button to open the mechanical key. Using the small screwdriver, first turn the screw to the unlock position, and then pry the battery case open slightly. Using your fingers, open the battery case fully and remove the battery. Insert the new battery, close the case, and turn the screw to the lock position. Finally, fold the mechanical key back to the closed position, and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.